Hey bro.
Hey!
It's alright.
Didn't see you standing there.
What's up guys? Today I'm going to Sweden. Yeah, Singapore. Welcome to my friends.
Why you got extra one? I don't understand. This is Clemens OG.
Hey, OJ, yay!
It's me! Yeah. Do you have any words for Clemens?
Hi. Stop! Why you even be doing here?
Do you have any words for Clemens? Can you say? Matthew, do you have any words for Clemens?
What should I say, honestly?
You have any words for Clemens?
Nice hair.
Okay. What do you say about his mom? Joy, do you have any words for Clemens? Do you have any words for Clemens and Hannah?
For whom, sorry?
Clemens and Hannah.
Well, I hope they get to enjoy themselves, and yeah, I'm sure this is going to be a good time for them.
Do you have any words for Clemens?
Clemens?
Uh-huh.
Hi, Clemens.
Can you like wish him like safe flight or something?
Yeah, safe flight. Don't join the gangbangers.
Okay, bye. So, do you have any words for Clemens?
Good riddance. Don't forget your code.
Can you forget you already?
Wow.
How to film?
I made a video of the whole thing. Or
Yeah.
Alright
guys, so in I'm Matthew. Girls. Hey.
It's currently 1:03 AM. We're heading towards gate 34. I don't know how
The temperature is right.
The temperature is right.
The atmosphere is great. The vibe is killing it.
Yeah.
Zoom in at Doha.
2 AM. It's gonna be alright. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Morning, how are you?
Yeah, great.
Thank you. Straight.
Alright, let's go. Alright. Thank you. God, it's freezing cold. Oh, Hannah, nice hair. Alright guys, so my camera dropped just now. Oh fuck, I think the lens really spawns. Alright guys, just a quick status update. I dropped my lens. Yeah, so apparently this screw came out, so as you can see. So it's a bit the mount is a bit iffy. What a way to start the trip! Yeah! I see.
So we will just check with them if we can have one of the middle racks instead.
Sure.
But sit down and take it easy.
Alright, exciting. Mic test. Hey guys, so welcome to the channel. My name is Clemens. The accent coming out. So I went to Sweden for a semester-long exchange in a small town called Örebro. Yeah, and yeah, it was really fun. Met a lot of people. Had a whole ton of content filmed during my 6 months long and probably 5 months long in Sweden. I mean in Europe. So really can't wait for you guys to see them. going for exchange is such a once in a lifetime opportunity for those who have went, and for those who are going, to hopefully like through my journey, like through looking at my journey, you guys get to experience how it's like to live in Europe. So thank you so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed the video, feel free to subscribe or like, I don't know, it's your own life, so no obligations. There's more to come, so do look out for them, and yeah, see you in the next one. In case you guys are wondering, so like the lens is fixed, so it's working well.